Alrighty guys, so the Cobra decided to break on us. So pretty simple, just the radiator fan I believe cracked, but once I get it out we'll be able to take a look to see what actually happened. But I'll play a clip of what it sounded like. So yeah, so it sounded pretty terrible. I thought it was maybe the engine, but good thing it wasn't. So it's just that fan. So I have that fan in order. That is coming tomorrow. So we're just going to be taking all this stuff off to get the fan, pop the fan off, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, so we got this all buttoned up. As you can see in the video, I zip tied. You can't really see it here. Let's you guys see it here. So this hose, I think from the factory, is tied up to something here, but I took a little zip tie and tied it. There's a little hole in the fan here, so that way this doesn't hit the lower crank pulley. So I did that. I zip tied a couple of the wires underneath here to kind of tidy it up a little bit. So yeah, but we should be buttoned up. Usually the fan doesn't run when you have it just plugged, when you have it idling, but I'm going to turn the AC on, and then when I turn the AC on, that fan is going to kick on. So we'll see if that did the trick or not. it. Excellent. That wasn't too bad. Not too bad of a job. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. And I will see you guys in the next video.